Good morning. In the last class, we discussed about the first four identities, and using that identities, we find out the products. Today, we are going to use these identities to multiply the numbers. We are using these identities for finding the products because it is less time consuming, and second thing, only very less mistakes we will get. If you do carefully means there will not be any mistake. And the third reason is we can do it very fastly. Okay, so shall we start? First you should remember about the first four identities. Which are they? First one, a plus b the whole square is equal to what? A plus b the whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. What is the next one then? A minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now third one, a square minus b square equals a plus b into a minus b. And the last one, fourth one we studied, x plus a into x plus b equals x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. These are the first four identities we have learnt in 8th standard. And we are doing the problems now with these identities only. Okay, first question. Find the product of 106 and 108. That means 106 into 108. When you are doing 106 and 108, here in the working column we will start 106 into 108. Again 3 steps will be here. Then after that you have to add everything, you will get the answer. Right? Instead of doing that, we will do the identities here. Okay. Before using the identities, what you have to do is just split this 106 and 108 using the easiest way. That means 106 can be written as 100 plus 6 and 108 can be written as 100 plus 8. Okay. Can you find out any identity there? Now look, for the first two terms, here both are same. Here both are different. So which identity? It is, yes, it is x plus a into x plus b equals what? Can you remember the identity? It is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Right? Now look, x plus a into x plus b. Now here this section they had given you have to find out using this and get the answer. Okay, we will start now. What is x, what is a, what is b? Here x is equal to 100, then a is equal to, here a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 8. Then we will start now 100 plus 6 into 100 plus 8 equals, first one x square. X square means 100 square plus a plus b into x. A plus b means 6 plus 8 into x is 100 plus a. What is ab? A into b, 6 into 8. Clear? Now what is the next step then? 100 square. Why we are using 100,000 etc. No, we can do it very fastly. What is 100 square? How will you find out 100 square? 100 into 100. How will you multiply? No need to put like this. Only write how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. Write the 4 zeros first. Then 1 into 1. If you have taken zeros means balance will 1 into 1. What is 1 into 1? 1. You will get the answer 10,000. Clear? So it is 1000 into 1000. What will you get? 1000 square they are asking means 1000 into 1000. So how many zeros you will get the answer? Here 3 zeros, again 3 zeros. So write 3 plus 3, 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then balance 1 into 1, you will get the answer 1. Clear? So why we are selecting as 100 here and here also 100 means, the reason is we can do the calculation very easily. Okay, here 100 square means 100 into 100. We got the answer 10,000. So it will be 10,000 plus. What is 6 plus 8? It is 14 into 100 plus 6 8s are 48. Okay, now it will be 10,000 plus 14 into 100, 1,400. Just write the 2 zeros. 1 into 14, 14 plus 48. Just add, you will get the ones digit, it will be 0 plus 0 plus 8. You will get the 8. Tens digit is 4 plus 4, 0, 4. Again tens digit 4. Again hundreds digit, here there is no 100 digit, here it is 4 is there, here 0. So 0 plus 4, 4. 1000 digit it is 1 and here it is 0. Okay, 10,000 digit is 1. 11,448 will be the answer. What all things we did? We have to split the numbers into 100 plus something or 100 minus something, like that you have to take. Always use 100, 1000, 10,000 etc. for finding the products using the identities. This one you can use in the future also. Just to find out just bigger numbers to multiplication means just split like this and then use the identity. You will get the answer very easily. Clear? Okay. So once again you have to remember 106 you just simplified as 100 plus 6 and 108 is 100 plus 8. Then you have to find out which is the identity you are going to use. Here both the x terms are same. So here a and b are different. So you have to use the identity x plus a into x plus b. Just find out the value for x, a and b. Then x is equal to 100. Just look here, x plus a. Here it is x is 100. And then here also x plus b, x is equal to 100. A is equal to 6, b is equal to 8. Apply with the values, you will get here 100 square. 100 square means what you have to do? 100 into 100 means just write how many zeros total. Here it is 2 zeros, here 2 zeros, write the 4 zeros. Then balance 1 into 1, write it as 1. It will be 10,000. 10,000 plus 6 plus 8 is 14 into 100 plus 6 8s are 48. And here only we have to do the multiplication. How will you multiply with 100? Just write the 2 zeros first and then 1 into 14. 14, 1,400. Just add. If you want to add here in the working column, okay, no problem. You can add. Otherwise, manual calculation you can do means it will be better. Okay. Now, we will do the second problem. Now, second question is 93 into 98. So, what you have to do is just take with 100. 100 minus 93 means 7. 100 minus 7 is 93. And then 100 minus 2 is 98. You will think that why can't you take it as 90 plus 3 and then 90 plus 8? Do you think that it will be more easier with the 100 or less easier? Now it will be with the 100 means it is the more easier thing we can do. That's why we are not taking 90 plus 3 and 90 plus 8. Okay, we will start with 100 itself. Okay. Now if you take 90 plus 3 and 90 plus 8 also you will get the same answer. But which will be taking more time. Okay. That's why you are taking this easier method. Here also can you find out which identity? Here x and x same and here it is negative 7 is there, negative 2 is there. What we can say then? A is equal to negative 7, b is equal to negative 2 and x is equal to 100. Okay, we will use the identity x plus a into x plus b equals x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now what you have to do? You have to write what is x, what is a, what is b. What is x? This is x. Here also x, same thing you will get. So x is equal to 100 and then what is a? A is equal to negative 7 and what is B? B is equal to negative 2. Okay, then we have to apply now. So equals x square means it is 100 square plus A plus B. A is negative 7 plus negative 2 into x into 100 plus A into B. A is here negative 7 into negative 2. Now we have to start now 100 square. Already we know that it is 100 into 100. It is 10,000 plus negative 7 plus negative 2. You will get the answer negative 9 into 100 plus what is negative into negative? Positive 7 into 2 is 14. Now here one negative is coming. So what you can do is here you have to 10,000. Here one negative sign is coming. So here it is positive into negative, negative 900 plus 14. Take the positive first. That means 10,000 plus 14 it is 10,014 minus 900. If you have confusion means use the working column and then do 900. Then it is 4 minus 0, 4 and 1 minus 0 is 1. Then here I have to borrow. How will you borrow from here? Here it is 1 is there. You will take this one to here. It will be 10. Again we want here also 0 is there. So make it as 10. Here it will be 9 and here it will be 10. Right? So it is 10 minus 9. You will get the answer. You will get the answer 1 and then 9 is here. Here it is 0. So it will be answer is 9,114. Clear? Okay then. Then next problem. Now the third question is 102 into 102. So what can you say? We can write it as 102 square we can write. Right? Yes or no? Yes. So 102 square can be written as what? 100 plus 2 the whole square. Can you find out any identity there? Yes. What is it? It is A plus B the whole square. A plus B the whole square equals A square plus 2AB plus B square. Then you can find out what is A and B. A is equal to 100 and here look A is equal to 100 plus is there, B is equal to 2. Now we got this section, you have to find out this answer. That means 102 square equals A square means 100 square plus 2 into A is 100 into what is B? It is 2 plus what is B square? It is 2 square. What is 100 square? 100 into 100 it is 10,000. So it is 10,000 plus 2 into 100 into 2. How will you find out? 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 100, 400 plus 2 square, it is 4. How will you add? Take the ones digit 4 plus 0, 4, 0 plus 4 is 4, 4 plus 0 is 4. If you want to do it in the working column, okay, no problem, you can do. Then here no tens digit and 100 digits and all, just tens digit is here 0, here 0. So tens digit is 0. 100 digit is 4, here it is 100 digit is 0, 0 plus 4 is 4. Balance 1000 places nothing is there, here only 0, 10,000 places 1. 10,400, 4 is the answer. Okay, next problem. Fourth question, 96 into 96. This can be written as 96 square. And 96, how will you write it as with 100? It is 100 minus 4 the whole square. Can you remember the identity? It is A minus B the whole square. What is A minus B the whole square? It is A square minus 2AB plus B square. What is A and B? A is equal to 100 and then what is b? b is equal to 4. This minus subtraction, here also subtraction. So b is equal to 4 only. b equals 4. Then what can write? 96 square equals a square 100 square minus 2ab 2 into 100 into b is equal to 4 plus b square 4 square. 100 square is 10,000. Then minus 2 into 100 into 4. First you multiply 2 into 4. What is it? 8. 8 into 100 is 800. Plus 4 into 4. 4 square means 4 into 4. It is 16. Just addition you can do first. So it will be 10,000 plus 16. 10,016 minus 800. If you have dot means what you can do? Do it in the working column. Minus 800. It is 6, 1 and again borrow. Here it will be 10 you will get. Here it will be 9. It will be 10. So it will be 2 here. 9. 9,216 you will get the answer. Okay. Next we will do the last problem. Now the last problem 103 into 97. Again what you have to do? You have to split. Split with the 100. Okay. So 103 can be written as 100 plus 3 and 97 can be written as 100 minus 3. Can you find out any identity there? A plus b into a minus b. Here it is a plus b into a minus b is given. You have to find out the answer for a square minus b square. This answer we want. Okay. So what is the answer then? What is a? A is equal to 100. Here it is a is equal to 100. And what is b? B is equal to 3. Here minus is there, minus is there. B is equal to 3. Okay. Now what is the next step then? 103 into 97 equals a square means 100 square minus what is b? B is 3 square. What is 100 square? It is 10,000 minus 9. What will you get the answer? Here it will be 10,000 minus 9. Right? What is the next step then? Here it is 10 you will get, here it will be 9, here it will be 10 and here it will be 9. You know the all things, that's why. Here it will be 1999. 9,991 will be your answer. Okay. Hope everybody understood these problems, how to find out the multiplication, how to do the multiplication and find out the answer very easily. Clear? So the homework is 2.5, second one 1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you very much.